Big Thief fans, you probably heard Adrianne Lendker has 2 albums coming out in September 2020. And she released a single, and that's what I'm going to talk about and teach here. It's called Anything, and there's like a refrain in the song, and she says, I don't want to talk about anything. So that's where the title comes from. And I pretty much figure she's using a capo on the 3rd fret. And I played along with the song, so I verified that. And it sounds to me like there's 2 guitars on the track. There's one that is kind of finger style, just going through the chords, and then there's another one that's just kind of sounds like it's strumming and emphasizing the bass line. But in any case, the song begins with the verse. Let me play it through and then I'll tell you what it is. That repeats like 8 times while she's singing the verses. And the chords there are C, so sorry I didn't say the chords. Chords there are C, A minor, F, G. And that, like I said, it repeats like 8 times. And then it goes into the chorus, where she's like, I don't want to talk about anything. Then it goes to G. So the first one is A, it starts on A minor, goes to G, and then it goes to F. And I think it hangs on F for 2 bars. So again, the chorus will go like this. I don't want to talk about anything. It goes to G. And then she's just like, I just wanna kiss you or something like that. Anyways, I'm excited about the her 2 albums coming out, and you can pretty much make out all the lyrics on Anything. So if you want to listen to it, I'll put a link in my description of this video. So if you want to get started, get a head start, learn the song, and I'm sure there's going to be other great songs on there too. All right, thanks for watching, and if you want to help me out, subscribe to my channel. All right, thanks, bye.